Steep linear graphs. If a graph line is steep, this means that none of the variables are zero because both variables change when shifting along the graph. We can identify a steep graph by looking at the coefficient a and b. If both of them are different from zero, the graph is steep. The general formula of such graphs in 2 dimensions, we have the following shown on screen. For example, we have the following shown on screen. Has a steep graph, as none of the coefficients are 0, a equals 2 and b equals 5. This condition does not include the constant c in the sense that it does not matter what the value of c is, the steepness of the graph does not depend on it. To prove this, we can show 2 lines in the same graph. We have the following shown on screen. Where the coefficient a and b are the same on both lines while the constant c is different. In the first line c equals -1 and in the second line c equals 0. Look at the figure below that shows the graphs of the 2 lines. We have the following shown on screen. As you see, the 2 graphs are parallel. The only thing that makes them different is a vertical shift of one graph in respect to the other, which comes from the fact that the constant c is different. From here, we can conclude that the constant c plays a role in the vertical shift of a linear graph. On the other hand, the coefficient a are equal in 2 parallel lines, so are the coefficients b as well. We can therefore calculate the value of the constant c by taking x equals 0 and solving the rest of the equation. We have the following shown on screen. If the coefficient b is not provided, we can see what the y-intercept of the line is, as it corresponds to the value of the constant c. Example. The graphs of the lines -3, x plus 2, y minus 5 is equal to 0, and a, x plus b, y plus 1 is equal to 0 are parallel. What are the values of a and b? Plot the 2 lines in the same coordinate system. Solution. We explained earlier using theory that if the corresponding coefficients of 2 lines are equal, these lines are parallel. Hence, for the coefficient a and b of the second line we have a equals -3 and b equals 2. This means the second line has the equation -3, x plus 2, y plus 1 is equal to 0. The graphs of the 2 lines are parallel given their equal corresponding coefficients. They are shown in the figure. We have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 14.1.4. To continue this tutorial, please watch 14.1.5, plotting linear graphs that have a limited range. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.com.